Hello everyone, this is another short video tutorial. This is my new pattern that I'm working right now. Mosaic crochet or Valle technique. What I want to show you, just few points so it's easier for you and you don't get confused. For this pattern I'm using Stanley Company yarn. Let me show you how it looks, and I'm working just like that, keeping yarn in the bags how they arrived. So they are pulling so nicely, and the cakes, they so nice in a place. They are firm still in a, sorry for this extra noise. I got this yarn, I was so excited. I said this is the most beautiful yarn ever I had. I will put you a link in description box so you can check it out yourself. And let's come back to the pattern. I'm using 5mm hook. It works perfectly nice with this yarn. And we're using two colors. I'm carrying the yarn from round to round, and I think it looks pretty good. And okay, what I want to show you, the pattern works really very easy, and it uses simple standard mosaic crochet stitches, which is back loop single crochet and front loop double crochet. Those are US terms. And it repeats all over, those triangles are all over the pattern. How to show you this? Okay, something like this. And here, what I want to show you, at the end of the round, each round here starts in the corner, chain one space with single crochet, chain one, single crochet, and those both single crochet are worked only in the back loop of chain one. At the end of the round, here I have one more stitch. To be sure that here I don't have any more stitch, I make it more tight the last. That's it, I don't have any more stitches. You slip stitch into the first stitch into the top with the same color yarn, and then you change the color. Did you see what I do, or I was out of the camera? Let me show you once again. Okay, so I have to close this around, and I'm working slip stitch into the top of my first single crochet, and now I want to change the color. So you just grab new color and we slip stitch. Now you can tie this a little bit, and you will tie this again at the end of this round when you will finish this one. So each round, when you change your color, starts with, this is our single crochet where we slip stitch to close the round. This is our chain one, and this is our next single crochet. So each new round we start working not into this very first single crochet where we slip stitch to close the round. We start working into chain one, and we work only into back loop. We work single crochet, chain one, single crochet. And what I want to show you here, for me, I finished this triangle, and now it's time to start the new one. and we will have here 15 stitches. One goes into the side stitch, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What I want to show you, the first stitch will always go into the chain 1, into front loop of chain 1 of 2 rows below, the same color, the previous row the same color. Here it is. Always will be the same. So when we start here triangle, the first stitch will go here into this chain 1 front loop, and at the end of this row the last stitch will go into the same chain 1 front loop. Okay, this is what I actually wanted to show you. So our first stitch goes right there, and then we go next stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oops, 13, 14, into the first row of 3 double crochet, 15. This is how our triangle starts, and you are reducing here on every second row when you are working with this color until you get 3. Then you start again, and here from this stitch to this will be another one. So here we have 1 back loop single crochet, and from here new triangle starts. Again 15 front loops in double crochet, like it is here. See, the new triangle starts. Actually, that's it for this pattern. What I wanted to show you, it's really pretty easy. It works really very fast, very easy, without any thinking, without even any counting. I know you often ask to show the back side, so this is how it is, how it looks. Here I just will have to hide those tails. Only 2. Very easy, very simple. One is here, another one I think already I hide it as I go. Very smart move. When first time I am touching here the new color, I like to make a knot here also. I like to be safe. And here you just carry the yarn, and you don't have to weave any ends. Very soft, very squishy yarn. I love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this short video will help you with this pattern. Bye bye.